Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to easily protect your expensive wheels on your car? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project and reasons why you're going to want to do this yourself. Now, we all know that our wheels, whether aftermarket or OEM, are really expensive, and it's really easy to damage them. So what we're going to be installing today is the RimPro-Tec system here in a BMW X3. If you saw my previous video, I installed complementary colored, really bold RimPro-Tec system onto my M2 in the M colors and really stood out. What we're going to do today is you can get in their rainbow of possible colors that you can get for their product. We're going to install complementary colors today. So we've got OEM wheels on a BMW X3. They're that kind of pewter silver, and we're going to be installing silver rash guard protectors so they actually blend in. This is a fantastic system. It's designed to protect your wheels in case of like a brush impact or up to 5 miles an hour, and it's going to help absorb that damage. And even if it tears the system off, which it will, I mean, a 5 mile an hour scuff down a curb is going to tear these things off. But what you didn't do is damage your wheels, which is very expensive and can permanently damage your wheel. So let's get the install started. This is really simple. It takes you about 5 minutes a wheel. Really easy. Let's get going. All right, y'all, so everything you need is going to be included in the kit. You can always get some extra rubbing alcohol just in case, but they do come with wipes. If your wheels are really dirty, you might want to hit it with some extra, but in this case, I think we're going to be okay. So I've done just an initial wipe down around the perimeter of my wheel. You can take the wipes that come with the kit, and I really want to emphasize, you want to be really, really thorough in this process. This is not hard at all, but if you don't get this nice and clean, then this isn't going to stick down. Now, these wheels have a little bit of scuff on them already, which is a little bit of a bummer, but I love the fact that these guards are going to not only protect the wheels from anything further, yeah, it's really gross, but it will help cover up a couple of the scuffs that are on the front wheels already. So just work your way around. What I try to do is I will clean this really, really thoroughly, let it dry, and then I'll come back and hit it again. Because if you look, I mean, as this looks right now, that looks really good. Take a clean part of the rag, kind of hit this top surface. As you can see, it's still coming off a little bit brown. So for this wheel, it's going to be on this raised surface all the way around. So let's talk about what we're going to do. So you're going to take this initial track. As you can see, it's got 3M tape on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, a particular part of the wheel is orientation, because when you have a seam from the track on one side as it goes around, the insert that's going to go inside the track I want on the opposite side. So we'll just pick a spot here on the top. I would peel this back, very carefully lay it in place, and what I'm going to want to do is to make sure that it's very consistent in the same track all the way around, just like this. But like I said, this isn't clean and ready to go yet. I'm going to wipe it down a couple of times, and then I'm going to use a microfiber cloth to make sure that it's absolutely dry and there isn't any residue left over. Anything like a tire protectant or any oils or grease will cause this not to stick properly, and then it'll come off, which would be a huge bummer. Okay, so clean very, very thoroughly, and then we're going to lay this track in place. So I'm just going to work my way around, and this bottom edge, I can feel it with my fingers that it's right where I want it to be on the edge of the trim of the wheel right there. So I'm going to keep coming my way around here. Keep coming, just like that. I get my other glove off. And I'm just kind of giving you the long explanation on this because this is really simple. And I'm only going to show one wheel because the others are going to be exactly the same. So I just want to make sure you get a good clean picture of what you need to do as you come around. So not bad, right where I want it to be. Not bad. I want it right on the edge of the curve of the rim as I come around. Just like that. And that's why I took my gloves off. I can feel the adhesive kind of on the edge of my fingertips there a little bit. Okay, so we're getting right up here to the top, right where we're going to meet the other piece. So what we're going to want to do is get good clean adhesion all the way around here. So then take a straight pair of shears, which is really nice. Get a good clean edge and clip as tight as you can right there. If you have to, clip past it just a little bit, because obviously if you clip short, you're in trouble. You can't fix that. So if you have any question on your measurement, clip a little extra, leave a little bit extra so you can clip it back if you have to. So go ahead and cut that, then I'll walk you through getting the center track on. Okay, so now we've got our seam here for the track piece here at the top. We want the seam for the inner piece on the opposite side. That way it helps keep itself together, right? It helps holds itself together. Now, the one thing you can do, and what I would recommend, is when you measure this for one wheel, you'll know what the proper length is. So before you insert this permanently or into the wheel, cut the others. You can take and very quickly cut all the others so you don't have to measure these another time. You could potentially do the same for this as well. So in my case, I'm going to want to start at the very bottom edge here, and they provide this little cool tool. So I'm going to come across. That means I'm going to be about here for the middle, and this snaps into the track. And you can press it in with your finger as you walk your way around if you want, but as you can tell, it's not going to go in all the way. But this is not a bad way to kind of get it initially snapped in. You will hear it pop a little bit when it goes into the track, just like that. We're going to way around, close across this gap right here, and continue to walk our way the rest of the way around. Then you're going to take the tool and you can just walk it around the outside of this, because like right there, it's not pressed in fully, I can tell. And you're just going to walk your way around the rest of this to make sure that it's in place. But it really is that simple. You probably hear the little pops as it starts to go in, just like that. This piece, there we go, just like that. Get that set in. Yeah, not bad. Just like that. In nice and simple. This is a plastic tool, so it shouldn't scratch your wheels. It doesn't touch my rims at all, but there we go. Just in case, I like it being plastic, which is great. So it really is that simple. It's all the way around. The seams are on opposite sides. The install is easy. I mean, the first one's going to take you about 2 minutes. The other ones will take you about a minute as you walk through it. It's not hard at all. Just make sure the wheels are nice and clean. Make sure you get good adherence. And then I've had these on my other car now for a fair amount of time. There's no issue with weather. I've had them out in really bad weather and other issues. They're on really, really solidly. I have no concerns about them whatsoever. I'm really excited on how well this covers a couple of scuffs. You might have seen one right here. This covers the scuffs and then will help protect in the future. And like I said, this is intended kind of like ablative armor. This is going to take a hit and will come off and will help protect your wheel, and how expensive that can be. All right, so really simple guard. I really love how these work, and now I've got them on 2 of my cars. And so I'm going to go do the rest of the wheels. You do the same, and you'll be done. All right, all done. And you can tell this is not a hard install, and the whole thing will just take you just a few minutes. I love having these on my car. This will be my second car I have these on, and RimPro-Tec, I think, makes a great product that's going to cut down on those just little minor scuffs as you're pulling into a parking spot or you're parallel parking or something, and you just turn just a little bit too far and you get that scrape. So I will very happily scrape off this product and replace it again later if it saves me from the damage to my wheel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.